Want to make progress faster than almost everyone? Then stop watching busy freelancers and start watching the ones who win. The top 1% do not move faster because they are lucky or born disciplined. They move faster because they use a better system. After earning over $500,000 on Upwork, I can tell you the speed gap is real, but it's not mainly talent, it's structure. The system is simple and contains 3 steps. I call it the velocity loop. Apply this for 30 days and people will think you suddenly become obsessed, but you did not. You just stopped leaking effort. Here is why this works. Most freelancers try to progress by adding more tabs, more ideas, more services, more goals, more messages, more random tasks. That feels productive, but it creates noise. Real progress gets faster when you remove decisions. High performers tend to do 3 things. They narrow the target, they repeat the core action, and they measure reality instead of mood. That's why average freelancers stay stuck for months, while a small group seems to jump level fast. They are not doing everything. They are doing less, better, and more often. And it's not hard to check. Later in this video, I'll give you one question that reveals whether your week was real or fake progress. But right now, let me explain the system. The first step is one clear target, not 5, 1. A lot of people say they want more clients, better rates, a stronger portfolio, a better routine, more focus, and more confidence. That sounds ambitious, but it kills speed. The best freelancers pick one win that pulls everything else forward. Maybe it's getting 3 strong case studies, maybe it's landing one client in a niche, maybe it's improving one service until it becomes easier to sell. When the target is clear, decisions get faster. Content gets clearer, offers get sharper. You stop waking up and asking, what should I do today? You already know. The second step is one deep work block every day. This is where top freelancers create separation. Average people protect meetings, messages, and little emergencies. Top people protect the block that creates progress. 90 focused minutes on the highest value task beats 6 distracted hours of fake effort. That block might be writing proposals, building portfolio samples, improving your offer, or delivering client work at a level people remember. The rule is simple: no switching, no scrolling, no just checking messages. Speed comes from concentration. When you stay with one important task long enough, your brain stops warming up and starts producing. That's when quality rises, time drops, and progress compounds. Third, one hard review. This is the part most people skip, and it's exactly why they stay average. At the end of the day, or at least at the end of the week, ask 3 questions. What did I plan? What did I finish? What slowed me down? Not what did I feel, not was I motivated, just what happened. The top freelancers get faster because they close the gap between effort and feedback. They do not protect their ego, they protect the system. Once you see the real bottleneck, you can fix it instead of repeating it. By the way, I made a free guide to help you grow your freelance income, and the link is in the description. If you downloaded it, please smash like, drop a comment, and subscribe to my channel. Now here is the question I promised. At the end of the week, can you point to the one thing that became easier to sell, easier to repeat, or easier to trust? If the answer is no, you were probably busy, not effective. That sounds harsh, but it's useful. The top 1% do not judge progress by effort. They judge it by the reduction of friction. Better portfolio, less friction. Clearer niche, less friction. Stronger proof, less friction. Better routine, less friction. Every week they make the next week easier. That is why they start looking faster. They are building a machine, not chasing motivation. So if you want to make progress faster than everyone around you, stop trying to do more than everyone. Build a tighter loop than everyone. One clear target, one deep work block, one hard review. Run it long enough and your confidence will stop coming from hope. It will come from evidence. That is how serious freelancers move faster. And if you want the perfect next step, watch Structure Your Freelance Week like $100 an hour pro, because that video shows you how to build a week that protects this loop.